Hi students, how are you all of you? Dear student, in this video, we are going to understand the lesson number 1.5, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. What is the name of the lesson? Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. See, if you are new on our channel, dear student, please subscribe it, like it and share it. See, if you subscribe, you will get the first notification, then you will understand what teacher has uploaded on the channel and what is the new thing that you are going to learn. Yes, everyone in New Vision High School was busy. What is the name of the high school? New Vision High School, and everyone was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. Inauguration was there of what? Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. What was it? It was the project and it was scheduled to take place in the next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitation, and it was getting late for what? To send the invitation. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation, and the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. First, principal had prepared formal invitation, and the art teacher and the students, they have decorated it, and they have given here one sample for us. Dear student, you can also see it on the screen. See, seeing eyes, helping hands. See, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project. Seeing eyes, helping hands. At the hands of Smith Wimla Naik. Yes. Former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chowdhury Dan, New Life Medical College and Hospital has kindly agreed to preside over the functions. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9th July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambedkar, Principal, New Vision High School. Yes. V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge. Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries. See, if we have to make any invitation card, these are the things should come under this. This is the motto of this to give you in the textbook to learn. If you are making invitation card, how it must be. Yes. See, as a homework, you also have to prepare one invitation card of your school. Now, find the different ways in which you can send this invitation using the internet. And you have to go on internet, you have to find out that other ways how you can use it. Yes. Now, next is that also, notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to be this inaugural function. Even notice was also put on the notice board for invitations of the parents and students for this program. Now, what is the notice? Notice, student of standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inaugurations of the project. See, notice is what? The student of class 7th and their parents, they are invited for what? Inauguration of the project. What is the name of the project? Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands, at the hands of Wimla Naik. Yes, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Then Dr. A.M. Chaudhary Dan, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Yes, time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. What is the venue? Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. This is the notice. Yes. Now be a written notice. Yes. Now many times the school authorities have to communicate with your parents. How is it done in your school? See, sometimes what happen, the school authorities, they have to contact with your parents. How do they contact? How are written communications sent? And if any letter they are giving to your parents, and how they are writing this letter. With your teachers help, get 2 or 3 specimen of the notice announcements put up on the school notice board. And what they have told here, with the help of teacher, dear student, you can go on the net, you can get abundance of the copies of these notices. Yes, so many no types of notices you will get on the net. Now teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation. See, sometimes teachers, they are calling, some invitees are there, people, phone calls they are given. The conversation is also given for us to understand. Receptionist, hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher, good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your new editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Baga, see how nice they are speaking. Very nice they have given it here. Receptionist, just to see. Teacher, thank you. Very good conversation they have given it here for us. New editor, hello Mr. Ajinkya Shashank. Speaking, how are you? See. Teacher, fine, how are you? New editor, news editor is also telling fine. Teacher, Mr. Shashank, hi, our request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. See what teacher is telling. Teacher is telling that, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. Teacher is requesting to Mr. Shashank. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday and we are sending you the official invitations today. News editor, I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. Yes, it will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. Yes, we would like your paper to cover the functions prominently. Yes, now what news editor is telling? Well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say the project is an important one, it should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? News editor is telling, this Sunday I am busy, but you are telling this project is important, so I will take time. Yes, and it will get good publicity. So tell me the exact time. This Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor, fine, I have made a note of it. Teacher, thank you very much. Very nice example is given for us of this conversation, phone call conversation. Okay, this was the oral invitation. See, these 3 invitations, 3 different writings we have learned. You also have to make a sample of this. Yes. Now another is that students passed on the message to their parents. Here is a sample. How students are giving, how they are passing their message to the parents. Mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday. This 9th, said Samir. What Samir is telling, this Sunday at morning, mummy, you and daddy, you are invited. Yes, what's the occasion? Mummy is telling, for what is there? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Our school, Samir is telling, in our school there is, school is having one project. Its name is Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a functions to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. On Sunday at 10 o'clock the function will be start. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents, and those they are 7th standard students and their parents are invited for this program. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. Yes. How long will it be? About an hour. Mr. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. And who will be there? Mr. Naik, and he is going to be inaugurate the program. I see. And what's this project about? See, and the parents are asking, what is it about? Oh, we are going to visit place and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. Then Samir is telling, once you will come to the school, you will understand. Even we are going to visit place to place for the people. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Then mummy is asking, are you going to participate in this program or not, in this project or not? Samir is telling, yes mummy. Let's see, daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. Mother is telling, daddy and I, we cannot come both, but one of us will be accompany you. One of will come. That would be nice, because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. And Samir is telling, that's nice. The Mr. Ajinkya, he has also specially asked all the students to tell about this program to their parents. Yes. It was also another oral invitation. Now see, all the invitations we have seen. Dear students, for your better understanding and more practice, you can go on the net. You will get so many types of this invitations. You have to practice it more. And to get exercise of this lesson, the link is given in the description box. Please see it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.